3, 2, 1, and it drops down like that. Oh, hello there! Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing to show you exactly what you get from square one. This trap, this live trap, swing on out of the box. I'm looking forward to getting some raccoons and possums, not street cats, because odds are the cat that you're trying to catch, 99% of the time, they're owned by a small child like 2 doors down. So if you do trap them, at least call animal control or maybe put a sign up, but don't release them out into the woods like some bozo just did to our cat. And my daughters basically cried themselves to sleep for 2 weeks, of which your response might be, well, you might as well not let your cat outside. Have a heart. I know cats crapping in your yard, it is kind of puts a damper on things, but at minimum call animal control, okay? But don't go and like kill somebody, some little kid's pet, okay? So anyway, this is upside down, there we go. Let's do this here. And so it's very, very easy how this is put together. And so, by the way, nice little handle like this. Some of these don't actually come with handles. The instructions they put in the very bottom, but we don't need those because I'm a man. All right, so the first thing you do is take it like so, open it all the way up, and then this bar on the side right here goes all the way down to the pressure plate. So with this open, being careful to reach your hand in here, you pull this pressure plate up like that, you see that? And now that engages this little hook right up there. We're gonna swing it around like this. I'm gonna simulate a horrible little creature coming in this direction, and he's gonna push the pressure plate. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and it drops down like that. Pretty cool, huh? It's a brilliant invention. But again, if you're really that uptight and bitter about some stray cat who's taking a dump in your yard, I mean, have a heart. You know, get one of those ultrasonic beeper things that maybe hurts their ears, or one of those sprayers. Or better yet, when my neighbor came over and said, hey, your fluffy little fat tuxedo cat, whose name is Lippy, he's absolutely adorable. He has coffee with me every morning. He's basically like a dog, except no matter how many times I talk with him about going out into other people's property, he doesn't listen for some reason. And so he does stay nearby. We feed him very, very well, but sometimes he went over to my neighbor's yard and I felt kind of bad. And I said, tell you what, I will buy little ultrasonic things. I bought a sprinkler, basically a whole bunch of deterrents because I'm a good neighbor. I don't want to be annoying to him. And guess what? Our cat doesn't go over into his yard at all. And he's literally right next door. And I'm on great speaking terms with my neighbor. My cat stays put. So don't use this for cats. Again, one of our neighbors, I know exactly who it is because we actually have a tracker on a collar. He used a live trap like this, and we tracked way out into the woods, like an hour drive up into the mountains, and he basically killed the cat up there. And I actually went up later and found the collar up there, and it was again, my daughters cried themselves to sleep for like 2 weeks. So don't be that jerk. And if it is a cat, I just gave you some awesome tips on how to mitigate this and keep the cat off of your property. And just ask the neighbor, hey, it's your cat, can you pay for some mitigation here so you don't have to go out and buy this? So, but if you are using this for like raccoons or possums or things like that, still call animal control. They should deal with it. But be a cool neighbor, all right? That's the main point of this video.